numbers are very interesting. Today we'll learn how to play with numbers. Okay. First we'll start with divisibility of numbers. So when what happens, how can you divide one number by the other, right? Now, we learned patterns, remember? You will see a pattern here. So let's say if you want to find out a number is divisible by 2 or not. Let's learn divisibility by 2. If you're talking about divisibility by 2, what it means is a number should be divisible by 2, like 4 by 2. It should give us 0. Okay? 3 by 2 doesn't give us 0. So 3 is not divisible by 2. 5 is not divisible by 2 as well. But 6 is divisible by 2 because 6 by 2 is 3. Now how do we identify those numbers? Let's form a pattern. See, we have this nice number board. Let's put these buttons in multiples of 2. We have 2 here, right? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Keep on going, okay? 14, 16. What am I doing? I'm skipping 1 and putting 1, right? So when I'm skipping 1, basically it's multiple of a 2, correct? 2. So we know all these numbers are divisible by 2. 16 by 2 will give you 8. So that is what it means. You find out the multiples and you can put as many as you want. You can fill the whole table and you will find out which numbers are divisible by 2. Okay. So 22 divided by 2 will give you 11. So we know it's not, see, as long as the remainder is 0, then you get the correct value. So let me show you here. The way we do it, normally on the board is 4 divided by 2, correct? So 2, how many times 2 you will get 4? 2 times. So 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. So 4 is divisible by 2. But if I make this 5, correct? Let's say this is 5. Now, it can't be 3 times 2, right? Because 3 times 2 is 6 and 6 is larger than 5. So we don't want that. But let's take 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. But the remainder is 1. So it's not perfectly divisible by 2. So 5 is not divisible by 2. Okay. So that is what we have done here. We found out all the numbers that are divisible by 2. When you know the multiplication table, it becomes much easier to find this out as well. Okay.